Okay, now we are going to discuss about linear and quadratic graph. And here we have the question from workbook, page 12, number 8. Okay, the question is like this. The variable x and y are connected by the equation y equal to 2x minus 5 equal to y minus 2x, minus 5 equal to 0. And the a part we are going to copy and complete the table. Okay, so we have some value of x here, minus 2, 0 and 2, and we are going to find the value of y from the equation. So I want to write here the equation y minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. And I want to, because we are going to find the value of y, and I want to make y as the subject of formula. So here y equal to, I want to move 2x on the right, become minus 2x, become 2x. And then minus 5 become 5. So plus 5, this one, this is the subject of formula y. And then when x, so when we have x equal to minus 2, okay, so when x equal to minus 2, so we can get y here equal to 2 times minus 2 plus 5. So you get minus 4 plus 5, you get 1. Okay, and then when x is equal to what, 0, then y equal to 2 times 0 plus 5 here is equal to 2 times 0 is 0 plus 5 is 5. And then when x is equal to 2, then y here is equal to 2 times 2 plus 5, so you get 4 plus 5, you get 9. So now the value here is when x equal to, so we get 1 here, maybe you cannot see, I want to make a black. Okay, this is 1, and this is 5, and this is 9. Okay, so we get the value of y now. We're done with the part A. Now goes to part B. On the set of graphing paper, on the graph paper, using a scale of 2 centimeter to represent 1 unit on the x-axis. So 2 centimeter on the x-axis, okay, 1 unit on the x-axis, and 1 centimeter 1 unit on the y-axis. So I already drawn the Cartesian diagram x and xy, with the scale 2 centimeter for the x-axis and 1 centimeter to the y-axis. This is the scale, and this is the Cartesian diagram. So we just need to draw, then draw the graph of y minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. We are going to draw this graph, For minus 2, this information is just telling you that the range of x is from minus 2 until 2. Okay, so that's it. Then let's try to draw. We are going to use this information, This is the first coordinate, this is the second coordinate, and this one is the third coordinate. So this is like minus 2 comma 1, and then 0 comma 5. Here we have 2 comma 9. Okay, so let's plot here to the graph. So the first coordinate is minus 2 comma 1. Minus 2 comma 1, the x is minus 2, and then comma 1. So we have the first point is here, and then the second coordinate is 0 comma 5. So when the x is 0, then the y is 5. So we have the coordinate here, and then the last one is 2 comma 9. So when x is equal to 2, the y is equal to 9. So I want to, okay, so this one, this is the coordinate. So after that, after we got 3 points, we just need to connect the dots, So I want to draw a line here, use the blue color. Okay, I think that's it. I want to draw from here to there. Okay, so I just want to make it straight. Make sure, yeah, actually you can extend, yeah, so you are not bounded by the dots. Actually you can make a longer line other than just from the dot, yeah. Okay, so you got this. All right, so this is the line that the line of the equation. What's the name of the equation? Okay, so after you draw the line, don't forget to name it, yeah, because usually name word point. So y here label, yeah, it's called label. Y minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So this is the label. Okay, and then yeah, done, I think. So for the B part we got it, and then for the C part, the point 1.5 comma k lies on the graph in B. Find the value of k. So here the questions, when x is equal to 1.5, what is the value of k? Okay, so it's asking to use the graph, yeah. So let's see, when we have x equal to 1.5 lies here, yeah. So we can go there, we can check. Actually we can make an extra line and to make a line, yeah, here, yeah. So I want to make a line with the color of green. Okay, let's see here, where in the x equal to 1.5. So this is the line here, yeah. So this is the line of x equal to 1.5. Okay, so this is x equal to 1.5. This is the line. Yeah, so where is the intersection now? We can see here, this is the intersection. So when x is equal to 1.5, the y is equal to, you can see here, the y is equal to 8. Yeah. Okay, so for the C part, so the value of k is equal to, I'm going to use the green, k is equal to 8, yeah. So that is the answer for the C part. And then now the D part. So di on the same axis in B, draw the graph of y equal to 3. So we need to draw a line here, y equal to 3. So if you want to draw y equal to 3, you just need to look at the y-axis and then look at where is 3. Okay, so this is the point, yeah, y equal to 3. So after that, you just need to make a line. Yeah, I want to change the color again, so I want to use orange. So you make a line cross this point, y equal to 3. So you just make like this. Okay, just make a line cross the point y equal to 3. So this is called this line is called y equal to 3. The line name is y equal to 3. Okay, so done. We already make the line y equal to 3. Okay, and then the second part, state the x coordinate of the point on the graph here of y minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0 that has y coordinate of 3. So when y equals to 3, what is the x coordinate, yeah, on the graph? So here we can see it from the line y equal to 3, because here the value of y is 3, yeah. And then what is the value of x? We can go down here and then find it that x is equal to minus 1. So the answer for the DII here is x coordinate. So x coordinate is equal to minus 1. Yeah, so x equal to minus 1. That's the answer for DII. Okay. Okay, now we are in the second questions. These questions from Workbook, page 12, number 9. Okay, so this is the question. The variable x and y are connected by the equation y equal to minus 2x plus 4. So this is the equation, yeah? Some value of x and the corresponding value of y are given in the table. Okay, so for the first questions, find the value of a and b. So we are going to find a and b here. Yeah, so the same as the previous questions. So we are going to find the value of y. So I want to rewrite the equation. Equation is y minus 2x equal to 4. So because we are going to find the a and the value of b, a and b here is the y axis or in the y value, yeah. So I want to make y as the subject of formula. So y here is equal to 4 plus 2x. I just move to minus 2x to the right, become plus. Okay, so let's see here when x equal to minus 6, yeah, here. So y is equal to 4 plus 2 times minus 6. So we get 4 minus 12. So we get minus 8. Okay, and then when x here, so the minus 8 here is the value of a, yeah, because we change the x is equal to minus 6. And then if we want to find the value of b, and then change x here into when x equal to 4. Okay, yeah, so y here is equal to 4 plus 2 times 4 equal to 4 plus 8. Here is equal to 12. So this is equal to b. So we done for the a part. Finish. And then the b part. On a sheet of graph paper, using scale 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit on the both x-axis. Okay, so 1 centimeter, 1 unit, yeah. The same for x and y. Draw the graph of this one. Drag this graph for minus 6. So x lies on minus 6, between minus 6 and 4. So the range for the x-axis is from minus 6 until 4, yeah. Okay, I already prepared for the grid for the Cartesian diagram here. So I get this. Okay, yeah. Just need to draw the line. Because we already got the value of a and b, so the value of a here is equal to minus 8 actually, and the b here is 12, yeah. So we can have three coordinates here. So the first coordinate is minus 6 comma minus 8. The second one is 0 comma 4, and the third one is 4 comma 12. Okay, yeah, so we have 3 points. So we are going to plot the point here. The first coordinate is minus 6 minus 8. So we can get the x is minus 6 and the y is minus 8. So we have the point here, minus 6 minus 8. Okay, and that's the first. The second one is 0 comma 4. So when the x is equal to 0, the y is equal to 4. So this is the second point. Okay, so the third point is 4 comma 12. So when the x here is equal to 4, then the y here is equal to 12. 4 and then 12. Okay, so I think here, so this one is the last point. Okay, yeah, now after we got 3 points, 3 dots, yeah, and then it's time for us to join the dots. Okay, I want to make a line here. Okay, so I can make here, yeah. So this is the line. Join the 3 dots together. Okay. Right, so this is the line. So this line, we can label it, yeah. The name of this line here is y minus 2x equal to 4. Okay, this is y minus 2x is equal to 4. Okay, so this is the labeling. Done. We finished for the B part, and now is the C part. The point h comma h. So there is one coordinate on the line lies on the graph, yeah. So this coordinate has value of x, has the same value of x and the value of y. So we have to find it, we have to observe it from the graph that we just made, yeah. Okay, so we are going to looking for the point where the value of x equal to the value of y. So here is impossible. Alright, I think I got that one. So I think this is the coordinate, because we can see here this point coordinate is -4 comma -4, yeah. So we got it. Okay, so the answer here for the C part is h here is equal to -4, yeah. So then that's for the C part. And then now the D part. On the same axis in B, draw the graph x equal to 3. So I'm going to draw a line x equal to 3. So focus on the x, yeah. Here x equal to 3 here. So I want to draw a line again with different color, maybe green. Okay, so I want to draw a line x equal to 3. Okay, yeah, so here, right, so I just want to make, okay, until it's intersect. Alright, this is the green line here. The name of this green line is the line of x equal to 3. This is the label, yeah. Okay, we done making the line x equal to 3. And then the second one here, find the area of the triangle bounded by this line. Okay, the first line, the orange line that we made the first time, and then this one, okay, the green line that we just made, and then the x-axis. Okay, let's see 3 boundaries here. So the green line, the orange line, and then x-axis here, yeah. This is the x-axis. So this is the triangle. Actually, I want to try to shade it, yeah. This is the triangle. I hope you can see it, yeah. This is a triangle. Alright, so we are going to find the area of this triangle. So the base here is, you can see the base from -2 until 3. So we can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 units, and the height here is from, okay, so the height is 10, yeah. So the base is 5. So we got the measurement of the triangle, the area. Okay, so this is for D, yeah. So the area of triangle. Okay, we just measure it. So the base is equal to 5 units, and the height of the triangle is 10, yeah. So after we got this, it will be easy. Okay, we just need to write the formula. Area of triangle is 1/2 times base times height, yeah. Okay, and then just substitute 1/2 times the base is 5 times 10. So we got here the 2 cross with 10, we got 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, so 25 what? 25 units square. Okay, yeah, this is the answer for part D II. Okay, so I think that's number 9 done. Okay, now we are in the third questions. So these questions from workbook, page 41, number 16. Okay, so these questions here, this is the questions. The variable x and y are connected, okay, by the equations. This is the equation, okay, yeah, y equal to x squared plus 2x minus 8. Okay, some value of x and the corresponding value of y are given in the table. Okay, in the table. Okay, so here is there are some blank cell, yeah, blank. Okay, so I want to, so the first question is copy and complete the table. Okay, so here we are going to find the value of y. Yeah, so I want to rewrite the equation. So y equal to x squared, this is quadratic equation, yeah, plus 2x minus 8. Okay, so the y here already in the subject of formula, already become the subject of formula. So here, so we are going to fill the blank, yeah. So when here x equal to minus 4, yeah, when x equal to minus 4, then the value of y here equal to minus 4, which is substituted to minus 4, yeah, to the x, plus 2 times minus 4 minus 8. So we got 16 minus 8 minus 8. So it's equal to 0. Okay, yeah. And then when x equal to minus 2. Okay, when x equal to minus 2, then this one y equal to minus 2 square plus 2 times minus 2 minus 8. So this one 4 minus 4 minus 8. So this one is equal to minus 8, yeah. Okay, now how if when x equal to minus 1? So x equal to minus 1 here. So y equal to minus 1 square plus 2 times minus 1 minus 8. So this is 1 minus 2 minus 8. So this is minus 9. Okay, yeah. And then next here is when x is equal to 2. So when x equal to 2, then y equal to 2 square plus 2 times 2 minus 8. So we got 4 plus 4 minus 8. So we got 0. So we can substitute these values to the tables, yeah. So 0 minus 8, this one 0, yeah. This is minus 8 minus 9, 0. Okay, so this is 0. Okay, so the first part done. Okay, the table now complete. And then the B1, the B part, on the sheet of graph paper, using a scale of 2 centimeter to represent 1 unit on the x-axis. So 2 centimeter on the x-axis for 1 unit, and 1 centimeter to the y-axis for 1 unit. Okay, so we are going to plot the graph of y equal to x squared plus 2x minus 8. So for the range of the x here, yeah, is from minus 5 until 3. Okay, so I already prepared for the Cartesian diagram. So we just need to plot the point, yeah, here already there. Okay, let's see here. What are the coordinates that we get? The first one is minus 5,7. So minus 5,7, we try to find the point, yeah, minus 5,7. Okay, minus 5,7. Is it positive? Yeah. Alright, so the minus 5 here is outside, yeah, because it's too small. Okay, so it's around here. Okay. The graph is so big, yeah, so that, yeah, it's not covered all. Okay, so that's the first point. And the next, second one is minus 4,0. Here, yeah, we can see in the coordinate from here, this is minus 4,0, and the previous one is minus 5,7. Now minus 4,0 minus 4, the x is minus 4,0. So we got here. Okay, yeah, that's the second. And then the third here is minus 3, minus 5. When x is minus 3 and the y is minus 5, so you got here, this is the coordinate. Next, what next here? Minus 2, minus 8. minus 2 comma minus 8. So we got minus 8 here, so this is the coordinate, yeah. And then next again here is 1 minus 1 minus 9. The x is minus 1, the y is minus 9, so this is the coordinate. And then next again here I get 0 comma minus 8. Okay, 0 comma minus 8. The x is 0 and the y is minus 8 I get here. Okay, next coordinate, so we have a lot, yeah. 1 comma minus 5, so the x is 1, the y is minus 5, so I get it here. Okay, the next here is 2 comma 0. Okay, this one 2 comma 0, the x is 2 and the y is 0, and then the last one is 3 comma 7. Okay, so 3 comma 7, so we have the last point is here. Okay, let's zoom out so you can see here it's a quadratic equation, so it will curve, yeah. So the next challenge is how you can join the dot. Yeah, here I want to try to join the dot. Do my best here because yeah, all right, looking good. Right, looking good. Okay, just try to join the dot here. All right, this is a long way, yeah, so try. Oh, right, so good. All right, now try this part. All right, so I want to try. Oh, that's a very bad line. I want to undo. I want to write again. All right, so it's looking good. Next, continue to the last point here. This is quite far away, yeah. Okay, hopefully this can be good. All right, it's looking good. And this one also, I hope it can be good. Okay, so it's quite good, yeah. So this is the graph that we have. Okay, so this is the graph already finished for the second part. Okay, we already drawn the graph, and don't forget to label it, yeah. So the name of the graph here is y equal to x square. So y equal to x square minus plus 2x minus 8 plus 2x minus 8. Okay, so next here is the C part. Okay, use your graph, okay, yeah, here to find the value of x when y equal to 0 and then y equal to minus 2, y equal to 1 over 2. So this one, what, 0, minus 2 and 1 over 2, yeah. When y equal to 0, of course it's here. Okay, what again, 0, minus 2 and a half. So when y equal to minus 2, it's here, y equal to minus 2 and then equal to a half, yeah. A half will be here. Okay, so we are going to find out the value of x, yeah, for that one. Okay, I want to make it easier by making a line here. Okay, so I want to make a line. Okay, so I want to make it use green, yeah, just green line. Okay, thickness is the minimum. Okay, so now here when y equal to a half, so right, so I get this line, that line, and then when x is equal to y equal to minus 2, sorry, yeah, this is when y equal to minus 2. All right, and then when y equal to 0, then no problem, yeah, I think it's just the x-axis, that's easy. All right, so let's check the value of x now. So when the first one here is when y equal to 0. Oh, that's easy. When y equal to 0 here, yeah, so we can check the value of what happened here. Alright, so I need to undo part. Okay, yeah, here. Okay, so when when y equal to 0, so x here is equal to wait a minute. Alright, wait a minute. Okay, here. Alright, so here the x here is equal to -4 and 2. Yeah, so we have two value of x when y equal to 0, so we can get x equal to, okay, I want to write here, okay, with red is okay, x equal to -4 and x equal to 2, like that. Yeah. Okay, so now here when x is equal to, what's the second one? -2. So when x equal to -2, so when y is equal to -2, the value of x is, okay, this one, y equal to -2, yeah. So we're trying to find the value of x here. So okay, well, let's try. Okay, this one is around here, so it's like around 1.5, okay, more than that. So okay, so per small box is 0.2, right? Okay, 0.2, 0.4, is it? No, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so per small box here is equal to 0.1. So if it's here, it's around 1.6. Okay, and then how about the other side here? Want to try to check. Okay, I got here, yeah. So what about that? So this around 3.7. Okay, that is the observation. So we got the x here is equal to around -3.7, and also the other one is 1.6. Yeah, so there are two value of x. Okay, now how about when y equal to a half? Okay, when y equal to a half, so we try to check again. So here the first one, in between, yeah. Wow, it's very close. Alright, so let's round it to be here lah, yeah, because this is also, there is a error factor of the drawing line, so it's around that, so it's like a -4.1, yeah. This is like -4.1, and the second one will be here, so it's around here. Okay, so just put it there. It will be like 2.1, yeah. So 2.1. Okay, so -4.1 and 2.1. Okay, x equal to -4.1 and x equal to 2.1. Alright, so that's for C part. Now for D part, write down the equation of the line symmetry of the graph. Okay, line symmetry is the easy concept, yeah. Just need to find the line symmetry. So what is line symmetry? It's a line that can divide the graph into two equal parts. So here I want to draw a line that can divide the graph into two equal parts. So I want to change the color, become orange. Okay, so this is the line. Yeah, alright, so here, like this. Alright, so this is the line. Okay, I want to make it thicker, yeah. Okay, so good. Alright, so this is the line. The orange line is the symmetry line. So what is the name of this symmetry line? we can see here this orange line passing through the passing through x equal to -1. So we just can write the name of this symmetry line become x equal to -1. The name of this line is x equal to -1. So this is the name, yeah. So the answer for the D part here, the line symmetry is x equal to -1. That easy. Okay, now is for the E part. State the minimum value of y and the value of x at which it occurs. Okay, the minimum value is very easy also. You can just look at this. This is the minimum value. So the y here is -9 and the x here is -1. So just write something like this. So x equal to -1 and then y equal to -9. Sorry, okay, and you're done with these questions. Okay. Okay, now this is the last questions. This questions is from Workbook, page 45, number 38. Okay, the question is like this. In the figure, the curve, this is the equation, y equal to 12 plus 4x minus x squared cuts the x-axis at 2 points A and D. So this one, yeah, this is the point. Okay. And the y-axis at B. So this is the y-axis. So when we talking about cutting the x-axis, it means the value of y in this point is equal to 0. The value of y equal to 0 here, yeah. And then if we're talking cutting the y-axis here, it means the coordinate here, the x-axis, the x-coordinate is equal to 0. Okay, yeah. So the question is, find the coordinate of A, B, C, D. So we are going to find all the coordinates here. So C here is the maximum point, yeah. Okay, so this is the maximum point C. Alright, so we are going to find the coordinate first. We are going to find the coordinate A and coordinate D. So I want to write the equation again here. Y equal to 12 plus 4x minus x squared. Okay, yeah. So when we are trying to find, okay, so this is the I. So coordinates A and D. So something common with coordinate A and D, they lie on the x-axis. When they lie on the x-axis, it means that the value of y here is equal to 0. Alright, so when y equal to 0, so we can write the equation again here, change y to 0, so 0 equal to 12 plus 4x minus x squared. Yeah, so we are going to find the value of x now. This is algebraic equation. You just need to solve. You just need to find the value of x here. So first we can see here the value of x squared is negative. I want to make x squared always positive, yeah. Always, if you want to solve the algebraic equation, especially for quadratic equation, try to make x squared positive. So the way to make x squared positive here is to move all the term on the right side to the left, yeah. So it become here, so it's become x squared, okay, yeah. The x squared become positive, the 4x become negative 4x, and then the 12 here become negative 12, and then this is equal to 0, yeah. It's possible. Or you just multiply both of the side by -1, it's also possible. Okay, so now the x squared already positive, so now times to factorize. Yeah, you try to find two number. When you multiply it together, you get -12. When you plus it, you get minus 4. Okay, yeah, so I think I get the answer already. So I think this will be minus 6 plus 2, because minus 6 times 2 is minus 12, the last, this one, yeah, and then minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4 here in the middle. Okay, so this is equal to 0. So x minus 6 equal to 0, or x plus 2 equal to 0. So x here is equal to 6, or x here is equal to minus 2. Yeah, so we get the answer for the x now. So what is the coordinate of A and D then? Okay, coordinate of A and D here. So A here is equal to, because A here on the negative side, yeah, so A is minus 2, of course, so this is minus 2 comma 0. So if the question asking you about the coordinate, it means that you need to write it in the coordinate form. So this is the coordinate form, yeah, minus 2 comma 0. You cannot just let it like this and then finish. No, you cannot. Yeah, you have to state the coordinate. And then the B, coordinate of B here is 6 comma 0. Okay, so the value of y is 0. Yeah, okay, done. We finished with the A and B, and now it's times for the value of B. Yeah, so because when we see B here, point B here lies on the y-axis. It means if there is a point or coordinate lies on the y-axis, it means that the value of x is equal to 0. Okay, yeah, the opposite side, something that we did in the first questions for finding A and D. So to find the value of the coordinate of B, okay, so coordinate B, so let x here equal to 0. Yeah, so you can get the coordinate B. So just substitute in the equation. What is the equation? Y, okay, y equal to, so we change the value of x into 0. Yeah, 12 plus what again, plus 4x minus x squared. So 4 times 0 minus 0 square. So this is just equal to 12. So the value of y here is equal to 12. So the coordinate of B here, we can say that the coordinate of B is 0 comma 12. Done. Very easy, right? Okay, now how about the last coordinate of C? This one, yeah, because C here on the maximum point, so we have to try to find the maximum coordinate. Yeah, so here first I want to split this one first. Yeah, okay, so I have more space. All right, so here for the C coordinate C, right, to find the coordinate C, we need to find the x maximum. X maximum here is like finding because the quadratic equation is always symmetrical, yeah. So if you want to find this coordinate here, this one, okay, so this value of x, yeah, so it's actually located exactly in the center, yeah, between A and D. Yeah, in the center between A and D. So if you want to find this coordinate, you just need to find the average of value of A and D. So like this, to find the x coordinate of the maximum point here, just need to find A, xa, yeah, okay, plus xd, yeah, divided by 2, right? So what is xa? So in the coordinate A, where okay, so this is minus 2 and B is 6. Okay, so minus 2 plus 6 divided by 2, so we get 4 over 2, so we get 2. So the x max, the coordinate of x here, is equal to 2, right? That's simple. Okay, now here is times to find the y max. Okay, so the coordinate of y, the y coordinate for the maximum point. So after you get the coordinate of x for the maximum point, it's very easy for you to find the y max. We just need to substitute in the equation. So you have this one, right? 12, okay, plus 4x minus x squared, right? So just need to change x into x max, which is 2 here, yeah? Okay, so 12 plus 4 times 2 minus 2 square, okay? Right, yeah? So we have here 12 plus 8 minus 4, okay? So we got here is 16, okay? So the y maximum here is equal to 16. So the value, okay, let me check first. All right, yeah, so the coordinate of c here, we can say that the coordinate of c is 2 comma 16. So done. Okay, this is for all coordinate a, d, b, and c. Already done. Okay, now the second question, the equation of the line symmetry of the curve. So this one, yeah, line symmetry, once more I remind you, line symmetry is line that divide the curve into two equal parts. So in this case, this is the line symmetry. Okay, symmetry, how to write symmetry? Okay, that's symmetry, yeah. So what is the equation? It's asking about equation, the equation of line symmetry. So what is the name of this line? Okay, so the equation for this line, because this line, the symmetry line, passing through the x-axis on the 2, yeah. Okay, the x-axis where 2 located there. So the name of this line here is equal to x equal to 2. The name of this symmetry line is x equal to 2. That's the name. Okay, that's the equation for the symmetry line. So we can write here x equal to 2. So that is the equation of the line of symmetry. Okay, that is the last questions. I hope you understand. Thank you very much.